Hey there, I'm Mark Weston, and I want to personally welcome you to Community Heights Funding on YouTube. If you're planning to buy your very first home, you're in exactly the right place. Our goal? To simplify what can feel like a confusing mortgage process and guide you from "where do I start" to "here are your keys." We specialize in helping first-time buyers get into homes with programs that work for real people, including zero down payment USDA loans, as well as FHA and VA options. And it's never one size fits all. We take time to match you with the loan that fits your budget and your goals. Each week, we share short, actionable videos to help you understand your financing options, improve your credit, and save money during the buying process. Whether you're months away from buying or already house hunting, you'll find advice here that's easy to follow and trustworthy. So, if you're ready to take the first step toward homeownership, hit that subscribe button. We're here to make the journey not just manageable, but exciting. When you're ready to check your eligibility, visit us at communityheightsfunding.com. And let's get started.